Hey everyone, I just want to quickly do this video for a recap of the trades that the Discord took this week, last week, I mean. It's pretty late, as you guys can all see, that I'm filming this, but this will be posted in the morning, not at this hour, but making this public so everyone can see it to get an understanding of some of the trades we took. So, first one to start the week off, which was Tuesday this week, since last week, since the markets were closed on Monday. Only 2 trades were given out this week, based on the fact that Wednesday, nothing really caught my eye enough to give it out as a call out. For people in the Discord, you guys know, very strict about my call outs. I give out only A+ setups that I see. I don't bullshit you guys. If I don't see a good enough trade that day to take it, I won't, and I will not give it out. So you guys know that. For the people who aren't in the Discord, you guys don't exactly know that. But anyways, so Tuesday we took some Tesla puts, 205 puts. Did take these a little bit earlier than the move initially happened, which was totally fine since expiration was on Friday, so we had some time on these, even though the cons didn't move much, which was good, and Tesla didn't move much until a bit later than we had taken them, so I alerted these, hold on, what exact time did I alert these? Give me 1 second, everyone. It will say, okay. Alrighty. Okay, around 7:30, these were alerted. 7:30 a.m. So, probably around, I would say I think we entered these around 2:17, 2:16. Again, these were 205 puts. Sorry, I wasn't prepared for the exact time I alerted them. Very sorry. Anyways, so we sold this for a gain around 70%. I did not want to hold these till tomorrow, obviously. You guys see why. Big green candle the next day. I am on the 30-minute chart. We did take these. I alerted them in the 5-minute time frame, looking at the 5-minute time frame. And I was totally fine with this trade going on longer since, again, we had more time on these contracts, so they're not going to get burned. But anyways, so obviously, yeah, the move didn't happen around 10:30, 11 a.m. I believe we got out around 11:30. So, I mean, obviously Tesla didn't go to 205. I didn't think it would. I alerted those because those were the cheaper contracts, and that's what I alert. I alert cheap contracts that will move. Again, for people who aren't in the Discord. So basically, in the 5-minute time frame, which is going to be annoying to get to. Give me 1 second, everyone. I'm not on my monitor right now. I'm on my Mac, so a little more annoying to zoom through the charts and film this video, but all good. All good. So, yeah. Around 7:30. So it was around this candle that this trade was alerted. Kind of saw a double top here. I wasn't really relying on that fact. Obviously, people in the Discord, you guys know I use levels. So did see Tesla hold below initial resistance level and then waited for it to kind of hit that second support or that first support zone. Which marked out was around 210. I don't know the exact level as of right now. I'd have to check back in my notes. But anyways, I just wanted to do a trade recap. So we took these Tesla puts. Contracts, I don't think ever went in the negatives. They were just kind of choppy throughout this whole area here. It was just mainly chop, but I knew the move down was going to happen initially, so I did tell everyone to hold these. And again, contracts did not get burned since we had time on them. So yeah, basically just using my strategy. Took puts on Tesla, sold for 70%. Again, got out around 11:30, so around here, around 2:10 is when we got out the price of Tesla. So yeah, and then next trade was Q's on Thursday. So that was this day. And again, these lines for people who aren't in the Discord. Again, if you're not in the Discord, you don't know why I mark these out. Looks kind of, oh shoot, and there's one gone. I only mark these out on basically Q's or SPY, literally just to see the highs and lows of pre-market. That's all it is. I don't use it just as a reference. I just like to know kind of what the range was that we started in pre-market and kind of where we were breaking out to. So this day we took some Q 459 puts. I know a lot of people got in on some SPY puts this day. I did alert these, I believe, around, yeah, it should have been this candle right here at the top of this candle. So at 463.43 price, I did alert these. Again, using my strategy. Depending on how long, if you're in the Discord, this is also zero dated option. So again, not that much time on these, but I sold for around 60%. If I know some people held them longer and definitely got a lot more percentage out of these. I believe some of these cons ran to over 100%. Not I believe, I know they did. But in my Discord, I keep everything very risk-free. We hit our initial zone, we take profits. That's how I run things. It's calling out trades and also being a risky trader does not mix and will never work for anyone. Just gonna say that right now. But this video is way longer than it needs to be. I'm literally talking about 2 trades that we took in the Discord this past week. No other trades were alerted, by the way. For the reason I said earlier, I'm repeating myself. I'm going a little crazy. Yeah, so I took these trades using my strategy. I believe I exited around 8 or 8:10 a.m. So around when Q's hit low 460 area. So again, around 60%. Cons did run to over 100% if you held longer than I told you to, which was totally fine. Y'all know I like to keep things risk-free. But that was basically it. Nothing was alerted Friday. I did kind of tell everyone what was going to happen, what was going to go on, and then I couldn't get on live just for reasons and did not alert anything that day. But I did tell everyone in my analysis chat, watch out for tomorrow. It may be bloody. We're going to see job reports, and if they come in weak and people don't like these job reports, that's it. The market's going to, for sure, have a tiny bit of a sell-off. I mean, I wasn't saying market's going to crash because job reports came in weak. No, not what I said. I just told everyone be very cautious, be very aware going into tomorrow and what news we have. And just in the moment of things, jobs reports have been very important to the market in determining how our economy stands and the weakness of our economy. So that's what job reports is, what made the market initially drop back in beginning of August. It can definitely drop markets once again. Made everyone pretty clear and aware of that. So if you knew that, you knew what was going on. But anyways, I'm going to Yap City right now. Yeah, so 2 trades, both puts this week. Just day trades. No swing trades have been called out recently. We are currently in a swing trade that's more long term, and we're holding shares, so not option swing trade. I didn't alert that, my other analyst did. So yeah, but basically that's all. If you guys have any questions, you know where to find me. This will post a link to this YouTube video on my Instagram, and then obviously you can find it because I'm going to post it publicly. But yeah, thank you guys for listening to my yap sesh.